It certainly varies by line of business. I know we talk a lot about workers' compensation, but certainly across all lines, I think you're starting to see more what I would call artificial intelligence, like actual artificial intelligence in the field, right? So better use of computer imagery is key, better use of text data and turning text data into predictions. So think of all the data that we might have in our unstructured claim notes. I think you're seeing that proliferate across the fraud space, right? Whether it's claimant fraud or whether it's provider fraud, understanding networks. That's a big part of, I think, where you'll see the industry going, understanding connections between providers, attorneys, claimants or injured workers. On the triage side, being able to predict which claims are going to be outliers, which is a difficult thing, but you don't have to be perfect at it, right? So if I can tell you, with 40 or 50% accuracy, hey, this claim looks a little bit funny. 1 out of every 2 claims, if I can get that right, that's a huge win. To be able to pull those claims out, give them a little extra attention, and hopefully be able to stop a claim that might get kind of off the path. So I think those are some of the key areas you'll be seeing in the future. And honestly, we're always working on ways to improve our claim handling process with analytics. We probably got 5 or 6 different predictive models going on right now to do just that.
Yeah, the only thing that I probably could add to Kevin's piece is that at a high level, when you think about the use of AI, automation, predictive modeling, there's the ability to automate a process, and we think about that as in areas where our customers are looking more for digital and technology automation tools. There's obviously a play for that happens across the high frequency, low severity side of the business. But then it's the ability to take some of those same capabilities that you would need to develop on the low severity side to then help bring insight earlier into the process for those claims that are a little bit larger in nature. And so and this is one area where we think that we by no means roll out something and we say, okay, we're done. Through machine learning, through our ability to go back and look at where did we use our judgment rather than just act on the insight from the model. Where were we right? Where were we wrong? How do we further strengthen the accuracy along with additional variabilities? We think it's an area where, it's one that just helps us keep going, find additional use cases that'll keep us at the front leading edge.